In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove scripts from MetaTrader 5. If you have old, unused, or unwanted scripts showing up in your platform, cleaning them out is usually a very simple process. The important thing to understand is that MetaTrader 5 reads scripts directly from a folder on your computer. So to remove them properly, you need to go to that folder and either delete the file or move it somewhere else for backup. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 and go to the top menu. Click File, then select Open Data Folder. This will open the main data directory that MetaTrader 5 uses to store platform files, including custom tools like scripts, indicators, and expert advisors. If you have never used this folder before, don't worry, you only need to follow a very specific path. Once the data folder is open, find and open the folder named MQL5. Inside that folder, open the scripts folder. This is the location where your installed script files are stored. You may see files with the extension MQ5 or .x5. These are the script files that MetaTrader 5 recognizes and displays inside the platform. Now, locate the specific script file you want to remove. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct file. If you are completely sure you no longer need it, you can delete it. If you'd rather keep a backup just in case you want to use it again later, move the file to another folder on your computer instead. Moving it out of the scripts folder prevents MetaTrader 5 from loading it, while still keeping a copy available for future use. After that, go back to MetaTrader 5. The platform may still show the script temporarily until the list is refreshed. To update it, open the navigator panel, right-click on scripts, and choose Refresh. This tells MetaTrader 5 to scan the folder again and remove anything that is no longer there. If the script still appears, or if you want to make sure everything updates cleanly, simply restart MetaTrader 5. That's all it takes to remove scripts from MetaTrader 5. As a quick tip, if you regularly test custom tools, keeping your scripts folder organized can make your platform much easier to manage. Removing old files and backing up anything important helps prevent clutter and makes it easier to find the tools you